What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 91 Gadgets. In today's video, you meet Wendy.
Hi guys.
Wendy's my wife. And some of you guys already know her, like
Mundo. Hey
what
Mundo.
up Mundo, shout out to Mundo. He's one of the ones that's always commenting, saying hi to her. Okay. So yeah guys, stay tuned for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you want to see more of Wendy.
To all you ladies.
I'm very excited that Wendy's finally going to come into the picture here. I want you guys to help me welcome her to doing these videos. I've been asking her to come on here and record because she knows how to fix things. She knows how to do iPads, iPhones. She could do whatever it is fixing. She used to run a shop on her own.
With a baby.
With a baby. Oh, that was crazy. I'll post some videos. Maybe I'll have, or like some pictures. I might have something. But anyway, 91 Gadgets has been gaining a lot of momentum and a lot of women. I've been seeing a lot of women subscribe and join our team. So Wendy decided to come help out and do some videos, and she'll be part of the group as well now. Wendy?
He threw me in here. He's been asking me to come on forever, and it's been, I don't know. I guess I'm camera shy, but I'm here.
I was camera shy in the very beginning, I think. No?
Yeah.
Or maybe I just never cared or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I think you just went for it.
Cool. I cut my hair. Sometimes I have, some of you guys commented on there like, hey, Adrian, you're growing dreads. Like, I don't care. But, girls are girls and, Anyways, she's going to start posting videos of her fixing things and talking to the ladies as well. So everybody, welcome Wendy. No better introduction than for her to have her own unboxing video. So I got her this because some of you guys already know we're starting a new company. It's called Digital Clicks Marketing, and it's all about giving your business exposure so that you guys can get the customers that you deserve. So this here is capable of handling 8K video rendering, 3D video rendering, 3D animations and graphics. So Wendy is she's gonna go ahead and explain to you guys what laptop this is, and she's gonna give you a few specs on it. I'm not a Mac person, I'm all Windows. She's iPhone and Mac and all that. She has an iMac, but the iMac, we noticed that it started getting a little bit sluggish.
Yeah.
So I got her this for two purposes. She's gonna be helping me edit the videos for 91 Gadgets, the videos for our kids. So this is supposed to be like super good. We did a little bit of research on it, and she's going to go ahead and unbox it for you and talk about it a little bit. So I'll let her take the floor.
Hey guys. Well, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm super excited to do this. I know I was a bit difficult to bring in, but I'm here and I'm super excited, and I'm really thankful for all of you guys and your support. Thanks for being there for 91 Gadgets, and I do see everyone that comments, and it's really nice, to know that I could finally get to meet all of you guys. I'm excited to show you guys this MacBook Pro. We're going to open this together, and to all the ladies out there, I'm going to be showing you guys that, or actually we're going to be showing the guys that we can also do it. So let's talk about the specs, and then we get right into it. So I'm super excited about this particular one because, as you already know, I'm a big Mac person, and big Mac. And then and I've just been wanting to have something that I can edit while I'm like in the kitchen, or if I'm in bed. I don't want to be at my desk, and that's been delaying me a lot with the kids' videos. So I've been wanting something that can go with me wherever I go. So I just want to show you guys firsthand. Seal is still there. That's like the best part, removing that. I'm just going to give you guys a few specs, and we're going to get to the main thing, which is just the unboxing. So this one here is a 2021 MacBook Pro. and it is space gray. Apple started producing their own processors, so this no longer comes with an Intel, but rather the Apple M1 Pro. So this particular one right here is an 8-core CPU with a 14-core GPU and has a 16-core neural engine. This has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I made Adrian get me a 1 terabyte SSD. I mean, he knows how much I hate storage issues. Like, I don't want to deal with that. I already have enough to deal with the house and kids and all that. You know how that goes, ladies. And so, I mean, just to make my life easier. I mean, 1 terabyte, you can never have too much storage. So this is a 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, and it also comes in 16-inch. All right, guys, enough with the talking. Let's get right into it. Here we go. It's like it suctions the top. Oh, it's nice and slim. Oh, it has a little weight to it. All right, so we're gonna save this for last. Let's take a look at the accessories. This looks like the charger. All right. Let's open that up. Cute one. And then it comes with this. Stickers, of course. Let's, put all this stuff back. Back to this bad baby right here. I've never opened one of these. Here we go. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I think I have it backwards. Let's go ahead. Okay, look how thin it is, guys. All right, look how pretty it is, guys. Let's take a whole, like, all around look at this. Bam, bam. All right, let's open this. What? It just turns on its own? I didn't even know that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It even says hello. Let's go ahead and take this off. Well, we should take it off this way. It's so beautiful. Babe, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
How's the screen on it?
Is
it super liquid, how it says?
Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my goodness. No, like, I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Guys, she's being serious.
Oh my goodness. It looks so good.
Oh,
wait,
man.
It looks better in person, guys. Oh no, this does not do it any justice. Oh my goodness, guys. This is beautiful on this one. This angle is everything. Adrian has me working with different angles, and I've never done this before, so. But this is beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. Like, look, even the ring light right here, you can see how, like, glossy the screen is. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Don't touch it. It made me want to do that too. It makes you want to like squeeze it, huh? It just this right here. Look how beautiful that looks. Like, oh, hold on. I'm editing. That is so funny, but oh my goodness. No, wait, for you guys that are like really serious about just looking at this unboxing, I mean, come on, you can't like not be excited about this. And man, it's just really, really nice. The screen is just perfect. Like, it looks so good that it makes you want to like kind of press on it. Like I don't know. I guess that liquid thing is something. Anyway, let's go back to setting this up before Adrian tells me I'm taking too long obsessing with how beautiful it is. It has Touch ID. Do you guys see that? Touch ID up here. Okay, so now that Adrian is here behind me.
What's up,
guys?
Guys?
He was just walking away.
I'm back.
He was just saying how annoying it was going to be to put in my password because I have this password that it's just like it won't leave my head, so I use it all the time. And he was just complaining about how annoying it was going to be, right? Right?
Yeah.
And then
Touch ID. I didn't even know it had Touch ID.
And then Apple does this to make him be quiet. Like he's talking about how annoying a password is. Because it is, you know?
Yeah, it has a little button right there.
It's actually Touch ID. I mean,
nice.
Can I show them on this side?
Yeah, you can. Point it. Oh, there it is.
Ah! I'm about to drop this. Look, it's right here. It's right here, guys. Do you see it? Oh, I feel fancy. This is so nice. Like, who doesn't want this? For all you other brand users, like, get yourself a Mac. Especially Adrian. He's like so against.
I'm all Windows, Android.
He sure is. You guys need to comment down below and say what you are. Like, are you Mac or are you
Android?
Bien rápido. Anyway. Okay, is it done?
Okay, it's ready.
Oh, it's done.
It's been ready.
I'm like, I'm loving it. I mean, I can do that all day long. Okay, so
choose your look. The good thing is I can see it down there at the bottom. So
yeah, and then it looks better like that anyway.
Yeah. Auto. Okay, so at nighttime it'll turn dark, and in the day it turns light.
Oh yeah, I like that. I like that because I have problems with the lighting. I hate bright light at night. My TV goes on what mode?
I can't see it.
My TV goes on super dark mode because my eyes hurt. I mean, I know I'm not the only one with that problem, but like it starts to burn. So it's irritating, and I just would rather not watch TV or my phone.
Ooh, it looks nice on the small screen right there.
I know. Oh, look, you guys can gonna see. You see how glossy it is? You can see me there.
And you can see my reflection on there too. Ooh.
It's beautiful. Doesn't it make you like want to press on it? Like
I want to like bite it.
Like it makes you want to like
dive in there. It's liquid.
Yeah, it really does give you that impression that you just want to press on it. All right, guys. Well, it was really, really nice meeting you guys. I hope I didn't talk too much. I know these videos are usually like super short and like right to the point, but I mean, at the same time, this was like a get to know me a little bit. And, you know, I finally get to know you guys through the comments. I'll be reading the comments, you know, answering. And yeah, also let me know if you're an Apple person like me. And to all you ladies out there, also, I'm going to be showing you guys the way I fix devices so everyone out there can get motivated and know that you guys can also do it.
Yep, guys. So I'm excited for her to start posting these videos. If you guys haven't joined our team yet, go to 91gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get the 5-day curriculum. Join the Facebook group. She's going to be on there as well, talking to all you guys, and so it's going to be a lot better. I think this whole group and the whole YouTube is going to be a lot better now with Wendy in the picture. Everybody like this video if you agree with me. And,
like.
Thanks
Y a
again.
los que hablan español, también sé hablar español. Y si necesitan videos, reparaciones de cualquiera, o sea, pónganlo en el comentario y yo les hago los videos en español.
All right, guys. Thank you guys so much. We love you. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace out.